Have you ever seen a ghost? Well, these are my ghosts. So, why don't you come and join us? Come on, let's go. This is our haunted lab, where my student and I investigate paranormal phenomena. Come on in. Ghosts, spirits, and a long list of supernatural happenings have fascinated humanity as far back as we can recall. So, with this amazing challenge, we decided to develop our joint project called Phantoms or Physics, with Silvio Reitmaker and his student from the Netherlands, and with the special collaboration of David Fittonby. My students started investigating why phantoms cause so much fascination throughout history, and has even been a source of inspiration for literature, theatre, and magic, especially during the Romantic period. Our main objective was to demonstrate that behind paranormal phenomena, a scientific explanation exists. So we've done this experiment based on physics laws, mainly on how light works. So here we have our model of the Pepper's ghost effect, which was very well known to make ghosts come alive on stages in the 19th century, and is just based on the reflection of lights. We've also focused on magic tricks, and this is the famous magic box. Ta-cha! And one of the greatest magicians of all time was Houdini, who was born in Hungary. He was a magnificent escape artist, so we reproduce his escapism art with this experiment based on the Snell's law. We dive a bit deeper into the holography technique, which was invented by Denis Gabor, a Hungarian physician, and this is our false hologram. And here we have a Ouija board, a chi wheel, and so on. So, as you can clearly see, my students are very keen and enthusiastic about all the spooky things they've discovered. It's not magic, it's just science that we sometimes don't see. Do you still believe in phantoms? Or do you believe in physics?